Previously on... Ooh, that's a nice pretty black diamond.
No deal. He killed my brother. As a warning, son of a bitch pinned it all on me. I was convicted for the murder of my own brother.
Can we play with the chicken? Hey Gizmo, look, I found my cock. It's a cow! Wait, let me pet the cow. I want to feed the cow.
You're petting a cow, and I'm turning around the ladder. Now the fucking the loose cannon is having fun with the cow.
Hell, the horses are escaping, honey. Come on, let's go. Yeah.
They're gonna come back and we're just playing with the piano. He's got a handgun. I got a shotgun.
Filthy scum! You're gonna pay for this.
I'm the brother now. You drove the cops on records.
Cops on us, huh?
We got cops.
Yeah.
Step on it.
How is this truck competing against the cop cars? What are you talking about? What do you mean?
They should run. We can't stay here.
Let's get in this boat. Let's get out of here. We're out of here, Gizmo. Not unless there's a river they can't follow. Oh, the water looks beautiful. I like the water.
Where the hell does this river take us? I have no idea, but the further away, the better. Yeah, I guess you're right. All right, start rowing. We need to get going.
I got a paddle. Oh, we're gonna get a water.
Vincent.
Why are you on the fucking segment? You don't need to
I
keep
saw
going
something
straight
in
to
the
the
water.
water.
It's probably a shark, Leo.
What do you mean? There are no sharks in this water.
How do you know?
It's sweet water.
You're a clever guy, Leo.
Should we go to the right side? Yeah. Now we
I
go
really
a little
saw
straight,
something, though.
go a little left.
Probably fish.
Yeah, whatever. A fish.
Big fish.
Probably salmon.
You know what? It could have been a crocodile.
No.
Seriously?
Don't want it.
I
Don't
don't
want it
like
to be a
crocodile.
crocodile.
Well, watch out then.
Dude, stop going now. You go a little bit. Yeah, just
Hey, Vincent.
Fine.
Yeah.
Think there are any bears in these woods?
There are probably bears in these waters, Leo.
I can't believe that.
let me do a bit so I can turn. Alright,
Looks like our peaceful boat ride is over. Some rough streams ahead.
Oh, so just try if you don't do anything.
Oh God, we're gonna end up on a waterfall. No wonder why the cops didn't follow us. They're just like, watch this. We'll just go to the waterfall. I would go to the waterfall and just wait for them there. Oh shit! There you go.
Check for the rock.
Oh.
I believe in you. You see your show right now. It's all you.
Okay. Yeah, help me a little bit. Okay. Ah!
To the right.
No! Oh no!
Oh, yeah,
To the right! No! Oh my God!
Paddle to the left.
Ah!
Hey, watch
The
out.
water's
Some
getting
rough
wilder.
streams up ahead.
Paddle, dude! We're gonna need to actually control them. Ah! I don't want to crash.
Left.
Alright, to the right! Right!
Why did you do that, Flip? You did that. You fucking like you went to the right, when
Wouldn't it be
More
faster if
pedals,
I
more
just
to the
jumped
right.
in and swam? Yeah, sure. We try that. I'll just stay in the boat.
I think we're through the worst of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
Oh, this is a waterfall.
I think you spoke too soon, Leo. Look straight ahead.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Holy shit!
I feel like I'm playing the Up PSP game again. Ah! Oh my God, it's crazy. Oh! It's probably gonna get worse. Paddle! Paddle like shit, Gizmo! Paddle!
Paddle, damn it.
Yeah, paddle, bitch. I'm telling you to paddle.
Waterfall!
What do you mean waterfall? I don't want to fall in the waterfall.
Come on, baby, waterfall we go.
There we go.
Close the water.
We're fine.
Not
We're
done
good.
yet.
Okay, there's a rock in the center. Rock in the center. We paddle this way. Try to avoid that rock over there. Can't go too far. Okay, can't go too.
Watch out for that rock.
Oh, this is gonna be narrow. This is gonna be really tight turn. Oh, we made it. We made it right there. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We're about to hit this rock right here. Oh! Ah! Oh, we can get out right here. Oh no! Hold on, Gizmo! I'm coming.
I'm coming. All right.
Climb to me. I got you. Come on, man!
Come on.
Grab my hand! This is your last chance. Come on, dude! Oh, come
It's your
on!
turn to save me. It's your turn to grab me now.
Oh, there we go. We got you, man. Oh my god, that was close.
You okay?
I'm okay.
You good?
Let's get out of here.
All
All
right,
right.
let's get out of here. Damn, that waterfall was crazy.
What of you, huh?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a city over there.
What happens now?
We're gonna find Harvey.
Look,
You're gonna fuck Harvey.
Yeah, that's right.
I know what you're thinking.
Bend him over.
Going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know. But I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him.
You got a point. It's true.
You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
Before I got busted, me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bang job?
Yep.
No.
No?
You ever heard of the Black Orlov?
Not
Are
the
you
black hole,
serious? The diamond? How the hell did you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
Ah, so a deal went sideways. Harvey betrayed me. Who's that guy?
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm
Yeah.
not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
Give me the case!
Ah.
What the fuck are you doing? Give me the fucking case, Leo! Hand it over, now!
You bitch.
It's nothing personal, it's just business.
Of course it is.
Give me the briefcase.
Okay, here you go. Light him.
know, I'm surrounded by cops.
That's rough. I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. He's the one who's gonna be sorry. I'm making things right. For me. And for my family.
So do you know where Harvey is right now?
I know one of his guys, Ray. He'll know for sure.
So,
Okay. We'll go find him.
what are we waiting for? Let's go after him.
You really want to take Harvey down, huh?
Like I said, with or without you, I'm going after him.
Damn. Avengers, assemble. Imagine.
Okay.
I bet you know.
Alright. Where can we
hold
find
on.
this Ray guy?
Don't worry, he's gonna be easy to find.
Yeah.
But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Of course.
Let's go.
So he's surrounded by cops right after immediately. Was it It's interesting that the cops showed up. I mean, he did get hit by a car, so he probably was knocked out or something. But if the cops,
Someone
okay,
easily could have let you know eventually.
yeah, because
Sounds like
because
a
have you
heavy-
ever seen those deals where it's like a setup and the cops and FBI are
Don't
just
go too
waiting
far,
or something?
Alex.
Mm-hmm.
It could have been that, but it also could have been like just he got knocked out because he got hit by the car.
Mom!
Oh, it's me.
Uh-oh.
We done messed up.
He
It's
know
a newspaper.
now
What's
now
wrong?
he knows.
Oh, we done fucked up. You done fucked
Alex.
up, Leo.
Alex!
Poor Alex, man. He fucking he sees a fucking picture of his dad in the newspaper. It's so fucked.
Wow. Well, I mean,
Leo.
it's mugshot, yeah.
Can I ask you something personal?
Yeah, man. What's
Yeah,
up?
sure.
How do you and your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
We've always been together. You know, she knows me better than I know myself. I was 12 when we met at the orphanage.
Orphanage?
You could say that my parents didn't do their job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No.
Don't be. I barely remember them.
That makes sense.
Besides, I was fortunate enough to have Linda. She was crazy. You know, we used to run away together. Steal ice cream, cigarettes, shit. It's always been us against the world. Still is. No matter what. That's just how it is.
Sounds great.
Yeah, that's what happens when you don't have parents. People who have like one parent or less than any parents, they tend to have like more criminal stuff. Or at least like if you have no parental guide at all, like no guardian or no like role model, you're really gonna, fuck up your life kind of. It's more likely statistically. So it kind of makes sense why Leo's
All right,
like that.
keep an eye out for my family. It's a woman and a boy, about this size.
You don't know where they live?
They had to move while I was inside.
I see.
Let's just have a look around.
I'm sure we'll find them.
Yeah.
Can I try to see if my eyes are killing
Life
me
looks
or?
rough out here.
Oh, okay.
You got that right.
Find,
Never actually set
I
foot
love
in a
it to
place
find
like
Leo's
this
family
before.
and then find your family.
Oh, yeah?
So yeah.
Mr. Fancy Pants with a college degree and a banking job?
Not like any of that helped. I'm here with you now.
Should be happy. I'm great to be around.
Keep telling yourself that.
I wonder if we could talk
Anyway,
to these people.
Let's find your family.
Imagine talking to these people.
You look upset.
Oh, I am. I'm waiting for my goddamn husband. I'm gonna beat his ass. Have you seen him?
I don't even know what he looks like.
He's easy to recognize. He looks like a big, fat, cheating asshole.
Crystal clear.
Like
knows
me.
what I
He could. She said big though. She said big. So
asshole.
yeah, but
So
you're taller
am
than me, so.
My goddamn husband. He better be back soon.
Uh huh. I wouldn't want to be him.
I wouldn't want to be him.
What the fuck?
No, you wouldn't. I'm
There's
gonna
this
break
fucking in
his
here.
knees.
I'm sure you will.
Yeah, I
What the
will.
fuck is going on
You
here?
know what I did to my last
Damn.
husband? I put him under the car, and then
All right. I get it. I'll leave you to it. Take care.
Let me join in. Let me join in. I want to join in.
Where's he at? Is that it?
No.
Hey, what's
They're
going on
fucking-
in there?
Never
Could be
mind what's
fucking-
going on. What you want?
Cletus, come on, honey.
Cletus.
Sugar, calm down.
I'm getting cold with my lady parts.
Okay. I got to go. Bye now.
It's gotta be that lady's husband. Maybe I should tell her.
Oh, I'm gonna snitch on that man. I'm gonna snitch on him.
Wait, I want to see. Okay, yeah. Do it.
I mean, you want to, or do you want to? You
Do it.
You wanna be an outsider?
I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna watch you do it because your character
this
seems
one.
like the guy that would actually like be the honorable guy. My guy would probably just be like, oh, go beat his ass, like just for fun.
Hey,
did you find him?
come with me. I have an idea of where your husband is. You see that trailer over there?
Yes.
He's all yours.
Oh, he's gonna get it now.
Alright, let's go. I got the
Oh, we gotta do an epic walk. Bad walk. You go on one side of her, and I go on the other side. That's right. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Oh,
We're the
this.
mafia. We're here.
What the hell are you doing?
Martha.
Nobody
What
cheats
are
on
they
Come
Martha.
in. Damn man. Well, damn man.
It'd be funny if she hit the lady first.
Okay.
Oh, what's up with this guy over here? Hey, you. Jesus looking.
I'm
Where'd
sure
you
you're
go?
having a rough day, but I'm looking for someone. A woman and
A woman, huh? I used to have a gorgeous woman and money.
Yeah, yeah, nice.
Look at me now.
Oh, we play baseball. Let's go. I'm gonna play some
happened?
baseball.
Gambling. I lost
I'm gonna hit
all
a
I
dinger.
had.
Give me the fucking
Did you know that the odds are always
Give
in
me back.
favor of the casino?
no
Yeah.
shit. Everybody knows that, man.
Have a go.
Yeah.
Sure thing.
Yeah, I wish I had known.
I wish I could tell him good luck or something.
Come on.
This dude looks homeless.
Hey, I'm looking for someone.
That's not my
Keep
problem.
doing too late.
A woman and a boy, this tall. Have you seen them?
So,
Out of here.
still
Oh, control
no
died.
problem.
Control
Now, why don't you leave me alone?
Fuck off.
Come on, you must have seen them. They live around here somewhere.
Maybe I have. Maybe
A fucking,
I haven't.
a fucking pro,
Who
dude.
knows?
Why you
Lazy.
being such an
Plays like a
asshole?
fucking pro, dude.
Hey, you got any booze? Do you? Huh?
Thanks.
Nice. What's
I
over
get the timing
here?
down now.
Got it.
I got
don't
the
wanna
timing
get this
down,
close
baby.
to pick up with you again, man. Nice.
Ooh, ground ball.
How many balls are there gonna be?
Worry about it, baby.
Ah, crap.
Yeah, I can't fucking see. Your dick. You can pitch the ball to me, I think. I hate you.
Come on.
I can't see a fucking thing. Yeah. Pitch to me, bitch, I dare you. Pitch to me.
Okay.
On the other side.
Hey, want to try?
Yeah, I want to try
Yeah,
your
sure.
infinite baseballs.
Here you go.
Fucking infinite
Thanks.
baseballs from your magical, let's see. Do 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 do. Ah! Do 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 do. Oh, nice. Do 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 do. Oh, nice.
I got the timer down on it. I
Do
got the
do
timer.
do do.
Nice.
That's a pop up. Oh, fucking. Oh,
All right, I'm going ham on you. Ah! 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 Oh, nice.
God,
Oh, nice.
swing and miss.
All right.
I got
Left,
the
right,
timber.
left, right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Swing and miss.
Down, up, down, up, down, up. My words are actually messing you up. Diagonal left.
Crap.
Top
I'm just
right.
like,
Down right.
what am I doing with the camera now?
Swing and miss.
Right.
Come on.
Left. I'm like calling it out, dude. Down. Up. Ah, nice.
Oh, I hit the guy next to you.
Oh, you smacked him in the face with a ball?
Come on.
Alright,
Swing and miss.
that's enough. There you go, here's the ball back.
Maybe one more pitch then.
Nice.
Thanks.
Dinger.
I'm done.
Okay, bye-bye.
Time to find your son now.
How much you bet they're working in here? Because that's the trailer, right? Yeah.
I already know they are because I've seen the scene before. So I already know they are. It's not
Quick
going to
question.
be.
You know where my wife is?
What's up? Kind of busy.
Yeah, I can see that. But I'm wondering if you've seen a 30-something woman with a kid this tall.
Yep. She's hot, right?
Of course she is. She's my wife.
Oh, okay, I hear you.
You don't have to with the satellite dish.
So when was the last time you saw her?
I see her every day.
Oh yeah? Where's she at?
How come you don't know where your lovely wife is?
Don't be a smart ass, man.
Well, I've
Just
been
tell
a
me
joke,
where she
bitch.
is.
Okay, just continue down that road.
All right.
I'll kill you.
I was trying to explore.
Sorry, I'm an asshole. I'm gonna mess up your wood. So you said down that road, right? Over there.
Yes. That's
Oh, there's my little son.
Hey,
Down there.
I see my kid over there. Come on, let's check it out.
Got my fucking way, bitch.
Where'd you get to the kid? Gotta move this trash can. Hurry!
I'm gonna shoot you.
I hope the cops aren't like waiting for me, cause you know like cops will do that. They'll find families.
Over here.
Leo!
Leo. Our son's not happy though.
Oh, god damn it!
Don't worry, don't interrogate him.
Cops.
They didn't.
They always do that where they go to the families and then they stick around for a long time.
Afternoon, ma'am. Everything all right around here?
What do you want?
Mind if we ask you a few questions?
Yeah, I do mind. I'm kind of busy here.
Ma'am, your husband is broken out of prison.
Stop calling me ma'am, okay? I have no clue where he is.
Listen, if he tries to make contact with you, you let us know.
Yeah, sure.
They
Goodbye.
probably should have a warrant to check that trailer though. They would find nothing in there, but like, you know, those cops are just asking questions.
They assume that
We should be fine now.
she's not in love with him anymore because it's been 6 months and he also got himself arrested, so she probably left him with everything.
Maybe. Yeah, that's like common. A lot of girls do that.
We good?
It'd be funny if those cops just come back and be like, aha, I found him.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good. Hey, Alex! Look who's here!
Alex!
Yo, daddy's here. Come to daddy, sonny.
Hey, buddy.
Chupapi muñaño?
Yeah, fucking
Hey, come
you.
back. Oh, I love my kid. Come back. I missed you.
Don't worry, Leo. He's just a little bit upset.
He found out?
Yeah, he saw it in the papers.
Oh, shit.
You don't fuck
It's
up.
okay, baby.
I mean, he's probably not pissed off about the jail part. He's probably pissed off about the
Is this the guy?
lying part.
Yeah, this is, Vincent.
Vinny.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
I'm Vinny.
Hey.
Linda.
It's
I
Vinny.
need to tell you what's going down.
Yes, but first, you need to go talk to Alex.
I'll talk to Alex.
Of course.
I want to talk to Alex. Alex is my son now. He's my
Alex
son.
is my kid, though.
No, fuck you.
Ah, never mind. I should probably leave them alone.
Leave them alone. There's only one person in there.
Yeah.
I'll talk to your wife then. My wife now.
Hey,
Go talk to your son.
Hey,
Hey.
that's a really nice bike.
I want to talk to
Wanna
her
do some-
though. She's my wife.
thanks. So,
Wanna do some bitch?
how long have you known Leo?
A while,
Like a week.
I guess.
How long have you known him? A week.
So, this is a Hab Shikey 57, right?
Actually,
The
this is
380.
a 59.
Never mind.
Nice.
You're reading the side of the thing.
It's really a beautiful bike.
It said 380. Actually,
Yeah,
it says
thanks.
59 right next to the 380. Actually, I fucking didn't see that. I'm blind.
Oh, he drew a picture of
What
us.
am I gonna do out here? Like what am I gonna do out here? There's literally nowhere for me to go out here. I'm just waiting for you to do it now. I'll just go down here.
Well, I'm busy looking at my family stuff.
This was a great day.
Okay, go down here then. Oh,
It was amazing. Basketball day.
There's a basketball court down there. There's a basketball court down there.
I think you'll be talking to the kid after he blows me off or something. I think that's what is
Fuck your
gonna
ball.
happen.
Fuck your ball, kid.
Turn on the fan. Trailer's hot in here. Hey, son.
Hey, Alex.
Look, I'm sorry about the lying. No, don't go
you
outside,
done?
dude. Better not run away. Damn. Okay.
Go to the treehouse.
I still want to talk to Alex.
Those were happier times.
You have a bird.
It's the same bird that the freaking warden has. You telling me the warden kidnapped my bird or something?
He probably did.
Yeah.
There's birds up there. Fucking low graphic birds up there. Like you can see through the birds.
I mean, from a faraway distance, they kind of would look like you
Hey,
can barely see
I
them.
could use your help. Can you get something for me?
Sure.
She's talking to me, I think.
Oh. I need.
I didn't laugh at her because I just stopped giving. I didn't give a shit. I just. What do you need, bitch?
That's my wife you're
Needed help
talking
with
to.
something?
Yeah,
Bitch,
I
you miles
do.
away.
Grab me a wrench from the shed over there, please.
I'll grab you a wrench.
Absolutely.
Hopefully,
ma'am.
this is easier than the last time. Last time I did get a wrench.
It gets detected by the fire. I mean, the metal detector.
Come on, buddy. Come on, just let me up.
Yeah, let me talk to
Alex.
you,
Hey,
please.
I'm your daddy. You're your daddy.
Look,
Your daddy.
I made some bad choices. I know.
what's this?
Go ahead.
Oh,
Hey, look, your sign is broken. Why don't you come down and help me fix it?
Can't fucking do shit. This
Oh.
fucking minigame again, really?
All right. Don't worry, I'll fix it for you.
I'm trying to fix your fucking motorcycle down here. Yeah, but this fucking minigame is
I
impossible.
think I'm gonna need a hammer.
it's just like the.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, it's. I did it. I fixed your motorcycle for you.
Okay, I need the hammer.
I fixed your motorcycle, bitch. Free achievement right there. I'm gonna put some darts by myself then while I wait for you to fix the
Sign
sign.
into the floor.
Oh, this sign is beautiful. Alex, you should come down and see it.
Bullseye.
Ooh, nice.
I can't fucking. I'm trying to play darts here, you dick.
Yeah, well, this is father-son bonding time. It's my kid.
Your son's a little
Your
shit.
kid's not even born yet. Come on. I missed you, buddy. Yeah, give me a hug.
Let me put my darts.
I know I've been gone for 6
I love
months.
you, buddy. I love you so much.
But I love you.
In
And
6 months.
I promise I'll
You
try
wanna
to come
play some
back.
basketball?
Sure.
Yeah.
But you know I'm better than you at basketball, right?
No, you're not.
Yes I am. You wanna shoot some hoops?
That could be fun, but maybe we should get going.
Oh, come on. Just one game?
Yeah, come on,
on, Vince.
Gizmo.
Okay, guys. One game.
One
Get
game.
ready to lose, boy.
I'm gonna win.
Ah, you know I'll win.
It'd be funny if the cops just show up.
Yeah, the fucking cops show up and shoot your son. He told him
Are
the
you
ball.
guys ready?
Oh, we're ready. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
Pass the ball to me, you little shit.
Daddy, pass it to me.
Oh.
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Daddy, pass it to me.
Ah! Oh, what the hell? Give me back the ball.
Get posted. I scored, bitch. Get up.
There.
Daddy, pass it to
Okay.
me.
Ah, you son of a bitch!
Fuck you, boy. Hey, keep free shot. I'll take that. Oh. Oh, what you gonna do? Oh, what you gonna do? Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Oh, get you.
I'll just stand right here underneath the hoop.
Vincent, pass the ball.
What was that, bitch? I just scored, bitch. What you gonna do?
Here.
Get the ball. Make the shot.
No, fuck you,
Oh
bitch.
my god. The little boy stole the ball. Take the ball, yeah!
On that shot, dumbass.
This is my kid you're talking to.
Here.
Your kid can't shoot for shit. Fuck him.
Alright, I'll help him. Slam dunk! Yeah!
I scored.
I wanted to block his shot so badly. I wanted to
You're good,
block his
Alex.
shot.
Really good.
You think?
Yeah. You should become a pro.
Really?
He
I'll be
made,
right
he made
back.
one shot.
Yeah.
He made
Okay.
one shot.
So many of the
He turned the ball
balls.
over so many times. He turned the ball
Hey,
over.
beautiful.
You mean you should go pro?
Well, would you look at that? You guys seem to be getting along all right.
Yeah.
We are.
Just fix the
But I
sign.
need to get going soon.
You in the ball, you
Yeah,
little shit.
I know. I'm just happy to see him smile again.
Kobe.
Pass the ball to him. I want to see if he can make it.
Come on,
Oh,
let's talk.
how about I make it instead?
Okay.
So, this is home now?
Not for long.
Oh,
If the
that shot,
cops found
dumbass.
us, then Harvey could too. We gotta get moving.
You know what?
You ain't gonna shoot
Let's
shit,
just
bitch.
leave.
Oh, he's not.
Let's get out of here.
And you really think Harvey will leave us alone?
That
Oh.
murdering bastard. How the fuck could I trust him?
What the fuck was that shot?
It
Where
is
am I
what it
supposed
is.
It's
This
your
just
house.
walk around?
is the life we chose, Leo.
It says walk to the trailer right there.
Let's
The
just
open
deal
door.
with it.
Yeah.
Oh, he fucking
I'm gonna
plays the
set
defense
things
right there.
right. I'm going after Harvey. He's not
The
gonna
defense
get
right
away with
there.
this.
There we go. It's good. We got it. Alright, honey. You gonna fuck around while the kid's distracted?
Any idea where Ray is?
Ray, what do you want with that asshole?
I need to find him. I'm sure he knows where Harvey's hiding. Have you seen him lately?
Yeah, he's working at that new construction site downtown.
Okay, good. I need you to be ready to leave the country as soon as I'm back.
Don't worry about that, I'll take care of it. You just make sure to get back safe, okay?
Yeah,
No, don't just yeah me. Get back safe or I'll kick your ass.
okay, I promise. By the way, do you still have that piece?
I do. Wait.
What is it? Oh, it's handgun. Cause that's what they call it, right? You still have
That
that
piece.
piece? Yeah, that piece.
My piece.
The peacemaker.
Here you go.
That's my peacemaker. Yeah. You like my gun, baby? Technically, it's her gun, cause
I love you.
I love you too.
now the kid's distracted. Wow, romance, passion, Mexican telenovela.
Did you see my
Yeah,
shots?
well, this is Italian though.
You were really good. Like I said, you're a real pro.
He made one
think?
shot.
Nice going, buddy.
He's just a kid, dude.
Look, I have to leave now.
I'd block my fucking son's
Yeah,
shots. Like,
I do.
I'd
But you
make
take care of
him
your mom now.
never,
alright?
never wants to
Can
fall
we
in
play
love
one
with
more
mine.
game?
Next time, I promise. Now come on, give me a hug. All right, buddy. Go to your mom now.
Look, we're gonna be rich, dude. All right. We're gonna try to. I don't know. We're gonna get revenge. I want to kill a bunch of people. I think. I'm not sure. All right. Bye. Love you. Next time on.
What is this? What the hell am I looking at?
Hey, Ray.
Oh shit.
Hey, buddy.
I think this stairs. You pick the elevator, of course.
Come back, Ray. You made Star Wars terrible. Oh, okay. No, wrong Ray. He'd be shitting himself right
Hey! Whoa! What are you
now. Okay, throw him off.
Fuck me, huh? Okay. Oh, look at this.
Whoa!
A gun.
I say we do this the fast way, man. Just in and out.
I say we do this the easy way. Let's not make a scene.
Yeah, but I know how to do robberies. You're a fucking bank teller.
What's it do here?
Hands up in the air! Robbery!